Are real estate stocks a wise investment? Many people think so. Real estate has been one of the most consistently profitable investments. There are several reasons why real estate stocks are a wise investment. In this video, we will tackle some of the key reasons why you should consider investing in real estate stocks. What are real estate stocks? Real estate investment trust stocks are a type of security that invests in real estate. REITs provide investors an easy way to access the real estate market without purchasing physical properties. REITs allow you to own a stake in large commercial, residential, or industrial properties around the country. This type of investment can be very lucrative because real estate is a relatively stable asset class. Unlike other investments, real estate tends to appreciate over time. If you buy a REIT stock today and hold it for many years, then the value of your investment should generally increase in line with inflation. Some investors also like real estate stocks because they can provide a steady income stream. Many REITs pay out regular dividends to investors, which can help offset the risks of investing in other stock market assets. If you want to learn more about stocks, check out our previous video. How are real estate stocks different from other investments? Real estate stocks are different from traditional investments because they don't have to follow the same rules and regulations. REITs are not subject to many of the same restrictions that limit other forms of investing, such as interest rates, capital gains taxes, or corporate regulation. It makes them an attractive choice for investors looking to broaden their portfolios and gain exposure to real estate. Real estate sector stocks have the potential to provide investors with high returns and long-term stability. They are not as sensitive to market fluctuations as other investments. They can offer a steady stream of income through dividend payments. REITs also provide access to properties that may require more work for individual investors to acquire independently. Real estate companies are generally more highly leveraged than other investments, allowing investors to generate higher returns. However, this also means that real estate stocks are riskier and more volatile, so investors must be aware of all potential risks before investing. Are real estate stocks a good investment? REITs and real estate stocks have earned significant earnings. REITs must pay 90% of net profits and generally have excellent yields. Stocks with low volatility can generate steady incomes. If you invest directly in property, not via a stock, you have the option of using various tax deductions that could make a massive difference to your tax situation. You can deduct costs for owning, operating, or managing a property, which may be helpful for tax purposes in the long term. You can also defer your capital gains. Looking to diversify your portfolio? Cryptocurrencies offer an enticing investment opportunity and may be the perfect addition to your financial strategy. Cryptocurrencies have grown a lot in the past couple of years, with many investors seeing the potential for significant returns. Here's a great tool that can help with your cryptocurrency trading. Affiliate disclaimer: Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Ready to take your trading up a notch? Check out TradingView. This platform provides all the tools and resources you need for success, no matter where you're at, from rookie traders just getting started to veteran investors optimizing their strategies. There's never been an easier or more effective way to reach those goals, so don't delay any longer. Check out TradingView today. To learn more about investments, check out our previous video. How to invest in real estate stocks. Real estate investments come with certain risks, but they can also offer a great way to diversify your portfolio. Generally, it would be best if you looked for companies with a growth history, solid financials, and a good track record for dividend payments. For some investors, investing in real estate stocks is a more convenient approach than investing directly in property. When it comes to commercial real estate, the best way to invest would be via REITs. REITs are public companies that own and manage income-producing real estates, such as office buildings, retail centers, warehouses, or apartments. You can buy shares in a REIT like any other stock on an exchange and benefit from their profits. Top real estate stocks are a great way to gain exposure to the real estate sector without investing directly in property. Investing in real estate stocks can help diversify your portfolio, reduce risk, and generate steady income over time. Do your research thoroughly before making any investment decisions. The stock market is unpredictable, and there are always risks associated with investing. Which is the best real estate stock? Finding the best real estate stocks can be tricky, as there are many factors to consider. First and foremost, you need to analyze the fundamentals of each company to identify which stocks are most likely to perform well in the long term. You should also consider looking at financial statements, growth potential, dividend yield, management quality, and industry trends. Additionally, it is important to pay attention to the overall market conditions when trying to find the best real estate stocks. If the market is in a bubble, then you should avoid real estate stocks altogether. However, if the market is undervalued, then there might be some great opportunities in the sector. Finally, it is also important to do your research when trying to find the best real estate stocks. Take time to read up on the sector and look for companies that have attractive fundamentals. It would help if you also considered factors such as liquidity, debt levels, and market sentiment before making any investments. The benefits of investing in real estate stocks. Some of the benefits of investing in real estate stocks include the following. Diversification. Investing in REITs allows investors to diversify their portfolios and reduce risk. Investing in multiple properties allows you to spread your investments across different markets and asset classes. High yields. Real estate stocks offer higher yields than other stocks. REITs typically pay out 90% or more of their income as dividends, making them attractive to investors looking for income. Tax incentives. REITs offer a number of tax advantages, including the ability to defer taxes on profits until they are distributed to shareholders. Every company owns properties, and you can also take advantage of depreciation deductions. Liquidity. REITs are highly liquid investments and can be traded on the stock exchange. It makes it easy for investors to buy or sell REIT shares quickly, allowing them to take advantage of market opportunities as they arise. Professional management. Investing in REITs gives investors access to professional real estate managers who have the experience and expertise to maximize the returns on their investments. Leverage. By using leverage, investors can increase their potential returns with limited additional capital. Using leverage enables investors to purchase more real estate without having to tie up large amounts of cash in a single investment. Regulation. REITs are highly regulated and must comply with regulations set by the Securities and Exchange Commission. It provides investors with protection against fraud or mismanagement of their investments. Economies of scale. By investing in a REIT, investors gain access to economies of scale that may not be available if they purchase individual properties on their own. Long-term growth potential. Real estate can provide investors with long-term capital appreciation and income, making it an attractive option for those looking to build wealth. Increased transparency. REITs are required to disclose all financial information in their filings, providing investors with greater transparency and visibility into the performance of their investments. Real estate investment trusts offer investors the opportunity to gain exposure to real estate markets without purchasing physical properties. Real estate assets can provide investors with diversification, high yields, tax incentives, liquidity, professional management, and the potential for long-term growth. With all of these benefits, investing in real estate stocks can greatly diversify your portfolio and increase your returns. These are just a few of the numerous benefits you can enjoy in investing. In any type of investment, especially cryptocurrencies, security is a must. Hardware wallets are the safest way to store your investment, as they keep your assets secure and offline. Here's a helpful tool to help you secure your cryptocurrency investment. Affiliate disclaimer. Moovmynt is supported by the people. When you purchase through links on our site, we may earn an affiliate commission that helps keep our website and its content. Learn more. Protect your cryptocurrency with peace of mind from Ledger wallets. Their top-notch safety measures turn digital asset insecurity into a thing of the past, so don't gamble on security, go for total protection. Check out Ledger wallets today. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, check out our previous video. Final thoughts. Real estate stocks offer investors a unique opportunity to diversify their portfolios and capitalize on real estate markets and fluctuations in real estate values. As real estate is tied to the local economy, real estate stocks can provide investors with higher returns than the stock market or fixed income investments, mainly when real estate is in high demand. Investing in real estate stocks can be volatile, however, and investors should pay close attention to real estate trends and news before investing in real estate stocks. With careful research, real estate stocks can be a lucrative investment option for savvy investors. So if you're looking to add some real estate sparkle to your portfolio, real estate stocks are probably worth considering. Make sure you do your research first. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it both informative and entertaining. Happy investing. Disclaimer: Moovmynt provides educational content only. It should not be taken as professional financial advice.